Hi, my name is Dr. Logan Locke. I'm the dentist here at Capture Dental Health and Beauty Center. With extensive training on implants and thousands of implants placed, we utilize the most advanced techniques available to provide the most natural looking dental implant possible. We take extra time and care to ensure your dental implant is placed with precision, resulting in the most natural looking tooth. Our crowns and veneers are custom designed for each patient by the talented artists of our in-house dental laboratory. Each restoration is designed to honor your character and individual uniqueness. We also believe in preserving as much tooth structure as possible while enhancing the strength, health, and longevity of our dental restorations. We created this center for you because your smile is unique and you deserve the highest quality of customized care for natural beauty and longevity. Call us today to schedule a free in-person or virtual consultation.